In today's video, I will show you how to factory reset the ROG Ally and the ROG Ally X safely and correctly. So before we start, there are two important requirements: a stable Wi-Fi connection. Your device should be plugged into the power. Once you have those ready, let's begin. First, completely shut down your handheld. Make sure the device is fully powered off before continuing. Now press the power button to turn the device back on. As soon as it starts booting rapidly, press the volume down button. Keep pressing it continuously while the device is loading. After a few seconds, this will take you into the BIOS menu. Once you see the BIOS screen, you can stop pressing the button. Inside the BIOS, press the Y button on your handheld. This will open the Advanced Settings menu. Next, press the right D-pad button once to navigate through the options. In the Advanced Settings menu, select ASUS Cloud Recovery. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to begin the factory reset process. The factory reset process may take a couple of hours, so be patient. Make sure your device stays connected to Wi-Fi and powered the entire time. Once the process is finished, your handheld will restart and be restored to factory settings. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.